Here complete guide on how to trade XDC with USDT. Open BuyUcoin, and click on the top right corner sign in button. Enter your registered email ID and password, and click on Login. When entering the 2FA code, the page will automatically redirect you to the BuyUcoin wallet section. Where you search XDC and click on Trade, select USDT XDC. Here you put the current buying price of XDC and USDT, and then enter the volume, how much XDC you want to buy. The total value will automatically be shown. After that, you place order by clicking on Buy XDC. Your order has been successfully placed. You can check this in Order Book and open order.